Want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's learn with mini dialogues in the present simple. Daily routine. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 every day. Hobbies. Do you play football? Yes, I play every weekend. Facts. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. School. Do you like maths? No, I don't. I like English. At work. What does he do? He works in a bank. Habits. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I do. Every morning. Family. Does your brother play the guitar? No, he doesn't. He plays the piano. Free time. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every night. Journal truth. Does water boil at 100 degrees? Yes, it does. Travel. Where do you live? I live in Toronto. Food. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like it a lot. School subject. Does your sister study science? Yes, she studies science at school. Pets. Do you have a cat? No, I have a dog. Shopping. Where do you buy clothes? I buy them at the mall. Weather. Does it rain a lot here? Yes, it rains almost every day. Reading. Do you read books? Yes, I read every night before bed. Transport. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Does your friend play cricket? Yes, he plays very well. Music. What kind of a music do you like? I like pop music. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I eat at 8 o'clock. Friends. Do they visit you often? Yes, they visit every weekend. Technology. Does she use a computer? Yes, she uses it every day. Study habits. When do you do your homework? I do it in the evening. Food preference. Do you drink tea or a coffee? I drink tea. Daily life. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 11 o'clock. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.